So guys, right now nothing going on in our scan. It's in streaming. Let's see. I bought this guy, sold pre-market, bought it again. Looking for some return from this guy, but nothing happening here. Is it working? Yeah, it should be. As you can see, really nothing going on in my scan today. It's just one candidate. This looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay, we have something here. PG. Let's see that. Not a good breakout. We can consider it. Yeah. Let's see. You can see how a 2-minute chart can help you make some money. On 2-minute chart, I short this guy here at a close, and I'm already at 1% gain here, you know. So looking forward to make some money from these two guys. This guy is getting into kind of a trading range here, but let's see, you know. These all bulls in daily chart, all these bulls are right now in loss. I believe it's a new guy and took the bottom out. This guy, wow, very close watch. I think we can make some good money out of this. As you see, I have covered most of my position here now. Reason there is a kind of pullback. Maybe that's it. We have some buyers in a daily chart here, so maybe this guy can give a pullback and then we can see, you know, where it goes. Right now I made a % gain on it, very good. I buy about a few thousand shares, and I mean, that's good, you know. It's always good to have something in early morning, you know. I was hoping this guy to show me some action, but not yet. Let's see. I've sold meat here, you know, so, you know, like now I'm out of it. I made most of my money in the pre-market, you know. Sometimes you need to understand the nature of a chart, you know. You need to sell it when there's a spike, early morning spike, you know. Everybody wants to make money, now they're buying, and whoever bought in the pre-market, they are selling. So pre-market activity is very, very important these days. This guy is looking still good, but I have covered most of my position here. So I think that we can argue that might get some pullback here, but I want a good entry, you know. I might enter 1 or 2 tick below here, and bulls might looking for a reversal here so that they can have a good leg up. I'm out. This guy, I'm looking to make some money. Let's see. This kind of a price action in PG sometimes leads to the bottom of a day. As you can see in a daily chart, we have this thing here. Let me just. So maybe 77 is the bottom of the day for this guy. It's still not sure, you know. We need this thing here now. Let's see. But on a 5-minute chart, we can see it's a good reversal. If we get good entry for bulls, maybe, you know, bulls can buy. But let's see, you know, like I have taken a position. I have made my money. I'm not holding nothing in this guy right now. I'm looking at few chart. This is a very good fading chart, but I haven't taken a position, you know. You see there is one bull bar. There is a breakout in the lower bear breakout. Wow. I'm just thinking as well that should I enter now or not. maybe not, you know, let's see. Let's see. This would have been a great guy, but I'm looking more on PG. I need this guy to make some money for me. This kind of a setup every day makes money for me. Every day. A panic fall and then you make money, you know. Let's see. This guy. Nothing else is happening much today. I mean, I have this guy in my scan. It looks okay, but not really. Let's see if we have anything new going on there. I believe PG is the guy for us today, you know. Maybe that's the bottom of a day, you know. It can give us good swing today. Let's see. I've shorted this guy after the close of 9:45 candle, and I think we can get some decent leg down from this guy. Looks good to me. It's an IPO. You can see, you know, like bears took out the IPO low. You know, that's very bad for a new guy. You know, like when IPO bottom goes, that's it. You know, it can have a very bad fall today. It's going down. So maybe we have a top of a day, you know, here. Because for me, bulls are looking very, very weak, you know. All these guys who are trying to take this guy, that it's in a consolidation, that's gonna shoot up and all that stuff. I don't think, you know, it's not going anywhere. Let's see. I have shorted this guy again, and maybe it has, if it takes 77.23 for me today, I think it can really give me some good profit. Just a couple of shares I'm looking into right now. All these guys are okay, but this guy took the bottom. Let's see. Wow, PG. I mentioned in my Twitter, you know, this is so awesome. You know, you can see everything in front of you, how stocks are doing. You know, they tell you themselves that how you can make money from them. We just need to look at it and say, okay, let me make some money, you know. Looking good. Let's see. Now you see this guy is trying to take this support here, which is about 77.23-ish. So if we take that out, yeah, it's a pretty big support. You know, I think that's the bottom of a day today. You know, like that's it. It really needs something very bad to break this thing here, but a good company, as you can see here, I have mentioned that Warren Buffett have holding in it, but you know, like a bad stock, if even Mr. Warren Buffett is holding, a bad guy will give a bad result. You know, like this is a bad chart right now. You know, like it's a head and shoulder kind of a thing. But I don't like head and shoulder for some reason. They're very unreliable. So in 2-minute chart, you can see we have pullback coming up. So this trend line, I draw it in the morning when I was talking to you guys. I think we have a bottom of a day, 77.23-ish. It might go back up to 79 or 78 or something, and then you know, like it can give us a swing back down. So I'm really keen to make some good money out of this guy today. So there you go. I mean, that's it. That's the bottom. I might take some long positions in it as well today and make some good money for us. You see, these guys are working for us. You know, I shorted here. I'm already, wow, $2 gain, and my stop is somewhere around here right now. You know, about, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, 60.20. You know, like, so that's my stop. That's fine, but it doesn't look good here. You know, everything is going down. Wow, this guy is on on a sale today. I hope somebody is riding with me here, making some good money. If we get good 5-minute candle in PG, I might take a long position as well, because sometimes I feel I miss a lot when I do not take a long position on a reversal. But a very weak start of a day, I don't get that much conviction to go long, even if I see, like right now, you can argue that, like this is kind of a reversal, like, and we have bulls covering or bulls buying. 2-minute chart definitely tells me that this is 1, 2, one attempt, 2 attempt, or you can say it's a wedge, 3 attempt, whatever you can call, it's showing us that, there can be one leg up. We can try, but weak stock, for some reason, it's hard for me to try. We do have a few other guys here. None of them interest me a lot, So I hope you guys are getting me. This is my pattern, like first 5 minute, few candles down, reversal, it goes up, it gives one more leg down, and that's it. 2 legs, 2, 3, 4 trades a day. You take a lot of money home, We don't need to see a lot many charts, What's Apple doing, what's Facebook doing, what's Google doing, They are doing what they're doing, but this guy is making money for us today. No stress, everything is good. Wow, every day, same routine, same chart, everything is same setup. I mean, it's so much same, it looks like STRZA. If you go back here, tell me, what is the difference? This guy and this guy here today. There is no difference, This is my style, this is my pattern, this is what I know. This chart, I know that how to make money off. That's all I do every day, every time. I mean, you see, it's so simple how hard it is to see, like this is giving us a reversal, STRZA. It has the similar pattern the other day, like yesterday, same 1, 2, 3, 4 down, 1, 1, 1. It was so similar, like I did RTW something. RT W something. I don't remember that chart. It gives us the same pattern every day. One chart will give you a similar pattern every day, and that's all you need to catch. We get this kind of a chart every single day. And I make most of my money from this chart. This is the move of a day for me. One thing is to be noticed here that we are getting a very shallow pullback, so this guy might have more towards downside for us today. But let's see, right now it's not giving me any good signal. This 2-minute candle is getting flat. You see, it's just flat here. They are not able to take the high of this guy, which is 77.82. So, I mean, I need to see a trend break here in a 5-minute candle, to see if I enter again or not. Do not rush into any entry that, okay, now it's a time. No. One best entry and we will be making a lot of money. That's all that matters, like I covered here because I see something is not, the selling pressure has reduced. So maybe this can be in a trading range today, or it needs a lot of watch to see what's happening next. Whereas in this guy, it's all simple, everything is written on the chart that what next you should do. So I'm gonna do most of my day in this guy here. This guy here is giving a very, very bearish reaction to the move. But again, like till the time we do not have a trend break, till the time we do not have a good signal entry, I do not enter that trade. I'll wait. I have made money. I have made some $2,200 in UVXY. I have made good money here in this guy. I mean, a couple of $1,000 shorted, a couple of thousand shares shorted here. So this might give us some kind of a one more bear leg down. But if you see here, you know, like this guy in a 2-minute chart, it's not that convincing, you know, like you really don't want to take this trade as of now. But let's see here. Okay, this guy here. So maybe not yet, you know, like I need to see something good with 5-minute chart to take this trade, you know, like you can argue we can short something here and put our stop loss here. It can be a calculated risk guy, but the trend line is there still, you know, volume is increasing. I might take the shot now. Okay, let me see. I have not taken any position here yet because I do not have any good signal entry here. You know, this candle was promising, but the trend line, I really like to see some action. You know, this was a good entry point. I mean, I need 5-minute candle to close one more down, and there is a bottom. You know, there is quite a bit of on a hourly, daily chart or 6-day chart. You can see there is quite a bit of support here, which I don't know. This was already a downtrend, and I mean there is not a big loss to the bulls here right now. I mean, if this would happen here, like you see on a daily chart, then this would have been a good entry. Like we have ST, like this guy yesterday, STRC. You know, this guy, it's still going down, you know, today, but I'm not in it. I just needed 1 day of it. So many bulls and it fall down, that's all we needed. So today that's what we need from our guy PG. It's still, you see, it's still showing some weakness, but sometimes it takes back, you know, like it can bounce back from here. Let's see. This guy here is maybe at its bottom, so there's 1 leg, 2 leg down. Maybe if we get some good bullish entry, this guy can give us some reversal here, and we can make some quick money out of being long. And because a few of my friends, they texted me on Twitter that they want me to find some good long candidates for them. I mean, I'm not a long guy, so this guy can, you see, we're talking and this guy is giving some good long, you know, because you can see from here 2-minute chart as well, trend line, you know, this guy can give you good leg up. There is a bottom here. I think that's it. 1070 or 1060 is the bottom, and you can play around all day in this guy. What else we have? Yeah, it was okay. Maybe that's it. Yeah, I don't know. But this guy can fall. Not my kind of a guy. This is what I like to trade. I love to trade this. I mean, I will not enter this guy unless or until it's not done this, you know, because you can see here it came here and it just bounced back. This is a very weak bearish pattern. Maybe from here it might test this level 77.16 again, and it bounced back, you know. So we know that there is a lot going here, you know, like I don't want to try to short myself and get squeezed, you know. We really don't want to do that. This looks good. We can definitely, from a 10-minute candle, we can definitely argue I should have taken this guy, but why to risk when it has given me so much? I mean, just for 30 cents, no, I'll not risk it. I mean, I want this guy to bounce up and then give me a good fall again. Over here in PG right now, things are looking more bearish than bullish here. So, but my concern is the bottom here, which is very, very strong. It can go up to 75.30, but I mean, I think that's it for today on this guy. You know, like this is the bottom of a day. $2. I mean, you can argue that ATR is way more than this, but let's see. I mean, it's going down. It's not taking 720ish. So you know, like I think that's it. On 2 minute chart, you can see that it bounced back. If it bounced back from here, it'll give us at least 78, 79. You know, so bullish will looking some return here. So you can see, you know, sometimes 5 minute is not telling me all bearish things, you know, but 2 minute explained me that there is not that bearish activity as what we can see. It's not taking the bottom out. And how I find the bottom, I just go here, weekly or 6-day or 5-day chart. You see there's a very strong support, you know, like these all guys are saying no, this guy is going way more, you know, they expect a lot more from this guy. There is, you know, like, so let's see. Let's see what we can get out of this guy today. Okay, so I believe this guy should not break its trend line today, so should close around 78.20. You know, that should be a closing point, you know. So I think that's it. There we have a bottom here. This can go up, and there is a green bar, you know, the bulls are buying. So I think we can argue we can go long here with 2 minute chart. I don't like being long, but let's see what this guy have. But for sure, I believe that it has made the bottom of a day, 77.16. And I'm out of QRVO. I mentioned in my Twitter account, this is not doing much for me now. So I'd rather be out of it, you know, like there are a few other guys, like I said, this guy, you can see it has made his bottom. You can try and you can get some point gain here, but I'm not that, you know. We can get some kind of this guy we can short. I didn't short this guy, but this is a trend line break, you know. If we have a 5-minute candle here, we can short this guy and have a stop loss somewhere 33.11ish, you know. Good guy. What else we have? Yeah, this is also kind of fading. A lot of good candidates, you know. You see, I just had this feeling that, you know, this is it, you know, like it cannot go more further than this, you know. You would have got some back. So definitely we have a bottom of a day in PG. Hopefully we can make more out of it. This guy is here to make a lot of more money for me. Same chart pattern what I trade every day, every single day I trade this, that's what I know, you know. As you can see in the morning, we have this support level checked, which is around 77.20ish. Bears are trying to take the support out, but it's not that. We need to understand the nature of a company as well. Sometimes, you know, it's a PG, you know, it's a big company, so you cannot take this down to 50, 60 today, you know. So that was the old move we had from this guy. Not a good return, but that's fine. But now I think the bullish are getting in power, the bulls are getting in power. They might take one leg up and they can take it a little bit higher, and then we get a fall. So I'll be dealing. I'm done. I have made a lot of money today in this QRVO. I have made my money in meat. I had made my money in UVXY. This guy I traded in toss just to show you guys, just to post on my Twitter account, and I mean I made good money, so I'm almost done in 1 hour. Less than 1 hour, I have about 6-7% return. You know, I believe that's not bad, you know, if you know what you're doing. You see, still in this guy, bears are still trying to take the bottom, you know, like if they're able to take this, they can really make this look ugly today. Let's see. I am in position here right now. As you can see, it broke the trend line, and I'm looking to get a little bit more return off it right now. I think it has made its move down now. Let's see. We can get a few more point gain here. We can also see that, you know, like it's reaching its trend line here. So maybe we can get some bounce back. I covered my position. Maybe we can get some bounce back and then get the next leg down. But overall, this guy is very bearish. So I think this guy, I might be in position. This guy can fall back to 1650. We can get some gain in this guy. Looking very bearish right now. As per a 10-minute candle, you know, one attempt, third attempt failure. So my stop loss is 17.18 here. So, and I'm looking for 16.50. So hopefully we can get that. This guy here, I am in position. I have shorted this guy here, and I'm hoping to get something around 1670 or something like that, you know, like about 2% return. And 10-minute chart is very, very bearish. You know, it's looking like it's turning around trend line and all that. I checked, it's they have their call at 11 a.m. today, so maybe I don't know what they announced or not yet. Let me just refresh it. Let's see. Nothing yet. Finviz is a very good side. I will be scaling in a little bit and looking for next leg down. Looking very bearish to me. You can also say it's maybe getting ready for one leg up, but overall the chart is looking very bearish to me. You know, like there's too much going on. You know, over here the bulls failed, over here the bulls failed, over here the bulls failed, here the bulls failed. So you know, like this guy can give us a good return today. So hopefully I have a close look on this guy. I'm looking at it bar to bar. Let's see what we get. This kind of a setup, I look in the afternoon like MTW, like my stop is very close. I can scale, I'm planning to scale up to 17, 18. Might scale somewhere in this area. This is a red area for me. Like this is a red area. And my stop loss is 1740. So and the reward can be good, you know, like we can get good returns on it. We can get some leg up, you know, as you can see I have my line drawn here, trend line drawn here, but that's fine, you know. Overall this stock is looking too bearish to me, and in the daily chart it's about $1.18, you know, like, so risk is not that much in it, you know, like it's just if you can manage this stock, you can make a lot of money in this. Like Crux, I'm in my other screen I have this guy up, you know, like I'm looking if this guy starts fading. This is my fading point. If it fades from here, then I'll take some good return on this guy, because this angle is so steep, you know, this angle is very steep for me, you know, like I wish I would have been seen this guy around 1045 or 1050. I would have shorted this guy and made some good return, but it's okay. We did okay with PG. I'm out of PG right now. It's just going sideways. I mean, you can see it's same STRZA. It's just the same pattern, like same pattern I'm trading every morning, 1 hour, and the first hour I make a lot of money out of it. So risk reward is very good. You know where the bottom can be. You can really see the move of this guy. So right now we are here. It's looking bearish, making the top. One top is here. Maybe bulls might try one more top, and that failure will give it a free fall. So hopefully we can get some good return out of this. I mean, this is a classic one. I have covered 50% of my shot here, and I might cover all my buy to cover will be at, let me check on the other screen. Okay, at 90, 1690 I'll cover everything. I was averaged at 1703, and I had a big lot shorted on this guy. It was so predictable. I just shorted OSK. After I short this guy, I posted on my Twitter account. I shorted after this candle close at the bottom, so it's about not that of a move as of now, but I'm looking this guy to go more down. So I'm in a short position right now in this guy. But beautiful, MTW gave some good return. Might go down, but I covered my 50% at 1690. I covered my rest of the guy, or I might move my stop at 87 or 88 here, but it was all predictable. I shorted this guy after the close of 1210 candle. My buy to cover order is 33.90, and I'm hoping this guy can give us good return on my shot. Let's see. I'm hoping to get some good return on this guy as well. As you can see, it's a great risk reward ratio candidate. I try to play very safe, as I try to pick the best risk reward ratio guys. It already moved a lot for today. Its ATR is 195. All the other candles tell us that like once in a blue moon only it moves this high. So we have a good chance here to make some good money on the shot. I have covered 50% of my return of my stocks here. Like you can see, we have about good return. Like 20-30 cents on a large volume, where the risk was not that much, because we have this candle here in a 10-minute chart, which confirmed us that this can be a top. And my stop loss was about 33.90ish. I was in this stock about 33.76, 70ish, and it's still going. I covered my 50%. Like it was just very quick. It's still going down. You can see 33.44. It was so predictable. I mean, like, again, I try to trade best stocks which have great risk reward ratio. The reward for this guy can come down to 32. This can be a free fall. It's too steep to control, and bears are kind of in control right now. So we have a very good looking bear bar in 10-minute candle as well. So, and hourly is reversed. So I think we can get a lot more than we have from this guy. I have covered my 50%, still going 33.38. So predictable, great risk reward ratio candidate. Very simple. This guy I posted on my Twitter account around this candle 12:25, 12:30ish, that this is about to fade, because we can see the bulls are not in control. I've shorted this guy. I have my about 29.78 or 76, and still going up. So it was very much predictable. I just wrote that on my Twitter account. You can see here. It fade 3 minutes ago. I was about here when I took my short position. I put it here, fade watch. and that's what we get. You know, same thing with PODD. You know, like I mentioned it here. I took my position here. I mean all day long, same patterns, same things are coming up. You know, same thing, exactly same things. So I hope this can help everybody understand my method, and everybody can make some easy money with learning hard system. You know, like you can make some easy money off it. I mean, like by learning this method, it can take some time, but it's very easy. You know. Hi guys, I'm done for today. Had some good return, good trading day. Tomorrow is Friday, half day for me, and see you guys tomorrow. And you guys can always follow me on my Twitter, where I mostly put my trades. You know, like today, POD was PODD was very good pick. It gave a quick return. It was breaking down. Overall, it was a very productive day for me, and I hope for everybody else. Alright guys, have a good luck. This was a good pick today, early morning, with a very stop loss. Then PG was good, same kind of a guy I mostly trade. That's it. Alright guys, good luck. See you tomorrow.